Yo, my name is Mcee, aka Christopher Yuma. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to assemble the laptop right now, the Dell laptop. This is Inspiron N5110. So get ready for the video and see how the N5110 has been assembled. And the bottom bay, it's brand new and everything, it's brand new, but it's in terms of the parts. So I'm going to assemble those parts. So I hope you sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Apart from doing hip hop and everything, we do stuff like this. This is also hip hop. You feel me? Alright. This is the bottom base cover. As you can see, the bottom base cover. You see the battery will come over here. This is the brand new motherboard, as you can see, with no hard drive, no processor, no RAM. It's the brand new, brand new from Dell. You heard? And you have to be very, very careful when you're placing it, because otherwise your body can cause a short in here. So at the end of the day, it will be nothing. So what I'm going to do right now is, first of all, I'm going to put a hard drive, hard drive or hard disk or HDD, whatever you want to call it. But take care, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, right? Cool. Put it over here. There. Right? Then I'll be putting over here. You need to close with a screw. So even if the person carries or get shot, it doesn't be affected too much. Then I'm going to put a so-called processor in this. Yeah, this is Core i5. So I'm going to put a Core i5 processor in here. I've already put a hard drive. Now I'm going to put a processor. Putting a processor, also you need to be carefully, because yes, you need to be very carefully. I'm putting this.